Welcome to Dow's Weekly Digest. Edward Dow Bartling here, and I hope that the time we spend together becomes a habit for you. And we go together like macaroni and cheese. Our theme for today is hidden gems. Hidden gems is an idiom which means something which is extremely outstanding and not many people know about it. A little rocking chair wisdom here. And the story goes like this. There was a rich farmer, and he had a beautiful orchard and beautiful wheat fields. One day, an aged gentleman came to his farm and asked for some water. As the farmer shared his water with the gentleman told him a wonderful story of a land east in Persia where the sandy banks had diamonds embedded in the soil. Now the old gentleman left, but the story still stayed with the farmer. And he sold everything he had and searched for years and years for the diamonds. And the diamonds he never found. One day, the person that bought the farm from the farmer was walking along a creek bed and saw a shiny stone. Yes, it was a diamond. In fact, there were acres of diamonds right there all the time. So how can you find acres of diamonds in your own backyard? How can you find the hidden gems? Maintain a ready mind. Be open to possibilities around you. Look at the familiar in different ways. Learn what people want. Then deliver. The grass is always greener when you water it. An opportunity does not just come along. It's there all the time. We just have to see it. Hidden gems. And what does the book of wisdom, the Bible, say about hidden treasures or hidden gems? Let's look at the Old Testament. Isaiah 45, verse 3. And I will give you hidden treasures in the darkness, secret riches. And I will do this so that you may know that I am the Lord, the God of Israel, the one who calls you by name. In the New Testament, let's look at a brief parable, Matthew 13:44. Now again, the kingdom of heaven is like a treasure hidden in a field, which a man found, and then he hid it again. And this is his joy. He goes and sells all that he has, and buys that field. What are some hidden gifts God might be working with your life right now? Hidden gems. Have you ever searched for hidden gems? I have. You see, the gemstone for the state of South Dakota is the Fairburn agate, a semi-precious stone found near Fairburn, South Dakota. Hence its name. This unique agate, created millions of years ago, is noted for their striking bands of natural color and has been found in southwestern South Dakota and northwestern Nebraska. It was barely past 9 a.m. in the summertime, and the sweat was already soaking my shirt. The forecast called for highs in the 90s, but as the sun baked the hardened gumbo and reflected off all the rocks strewn on the Kern agate field east of Fairburn, I could feel the midday heat about 6 hours early. Now we were told and we understood. We really didn't expect to find anything. We just wanted an inside look at this rare and valuable gem that beckons rock hounds far and wide. And they venture off the beaten path, hoping to find a Fairburn agate. Even though at the end of the day, all we had was backaches and a sweaty, soaked shirt. It was wonderful. So let's go to the financial markets website. and look at a hidden gem. So I'm at the fmiAgent.com. At the top, I'm going to click on to the Agent Tools. And from the column Sales and Marketing, I'm going to go down to Products. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on to All Carriers and scroll down to One America State Life. And I'm going to click on to the Asset Care Linked Benefit Whole Life. So now, as I look at the features, the funding options, and issue ages, think of them like we would that Fairburn agate, as these being rings or bands forming this hidden gem, such as the feature of 100% of the death benefit available for qualifying long-term care. Look at this bright feature, joint life insurance option, 2 covered with 1 policy. Optional continuation of long-term care, limited all the way to the hidden gem of lifetime coverage. The feature of the return of the premium option and an inflation protection rider. Now looking down, I see I can have a single premium or I can have a recurring premium or something in between. Guaranteed premiums. Notice the issue ages can encompass the vast majority of your clients. And we can go down to a minimum amount of $50,000 so they could stair-step their coverage. Funds being accepted. Think of this bright color in the gem as an opportunity for asset reallocation, such as CDs, mutual funds. Note, qualified and non-qualified funds, yet both covering both of them with 1 policy. I just described the brightness and beauty of this product, the Asset Care Linked Benefit Whole Life of One America. Please be sure to contact your internal wholesaler and learn and discover more about this hidden gem. You see, with this hidden gem, you're going to be able to enable your clients to pay less and get more. And they can have the flexibility of long-term care protection while retaining assets for their future growth. Not all long-term care protection strategies are created equal. One America Care Solutions offers a flexible approach to funding a long-term care protection policy, allowing couples to benefit from coverage under a single shared policy while they're saving premium dollars. As you think about this hidden gem, consider these questions to ask your client. Would they prefer a single joint policy or 2 separate policies? Would they prefer a standard 6 years coverage or the choice of benefit durations, including lifetime benefits? After all, it is called long-term care. Would your clients prefer to save money, allowing them to retain and grow more of their assets while also protecting those assets with long-term care protection in place? Now, if the answers to any of these questions are yes, contact your internal wholesaler on how they can help you customize a long-term care strategy for your clients. I would now like to just point out a sales tool. Be sure to go over this with your internal wholesaler. I'm going to go to the sales tools and then scroll down to Consumer Document Experience Care Solutions microsite. Now you can send this link to your client. And notice on the left-hand side how it starts to pose certain questions to your clients as they start to discover the brightness and beauty, the feature of One America's gem here that can provide peace of mind. I do encourage you to contact your internal wholesaler and go through this microsite. Get comfortable with it. The more that you use it, the more comfortable you will be. I would now like to show you a video presented by One America.
my grandmother went into a long-term care situation. My mom was the main go-to person in that. She was the caretaker. They're 20 years apart. Finally, my mom buckled. She said, "Mom, I need to get you some help. I can't keep up this pace and do this every day." So my grandmother goes to her bedroom and she comes out of the filing cabinet and blows off the dust off a file and says, "Hey, I've got one of these." And it was a long-term care insurance contract. So we turned that policy on, and the first thing that I learned on that was the ancillary benefits. Yeah, I got this stream of money coming in to help my grandma get the care she deserved, but my mom got her life back. I didn't know the specifics of long-term care, so I thought I'd go out and just find a policy, find a good company, and get one put in place for my mom. You know, it's great. She's got a wonderful program. She's got lifetime benefits. It gives us more than anything. It gives us a peace of mind. But I came to my wife and I said, you know, I think I want to do something different. I want to start a company focused on long-term care insurance because the need is great. We always tell everybody, we're not going to sell you anything. We're going to help design a plan that's right for you and your family. When I call One America, it's the people behind it, the people that are on the other end of the phone. I think what One America does so unique is they give us more solutions. They give us more programs, more ways to fund those programs. They give us a wider range of underwriting guidelines. And it allows us to bring more people to the table.
Folks, did you see the hidden gem there? The gem that was right there, practically in his own backyard. The need. He started to realize the need of him to tell the story to his clients about this hidden gem provided by One America to give them that peace of mind. Yes, many times we go through our busy days and take for granted hidden gems that the good Lord has provided us. Just yesterday, as I was driving home, I try to make a point to look for a particular hidden gem. And it's not always in the same place. So I really have to look. So as I get closer, I slow down and peer into the pine trees. And there is a beautiful, mature, bald eagle, majestically sitting on a branch. And today, it was just across the road in a gully behind my neighbor's house. I would say it was less than 300 yards away from me. And people drive by and miss this hidden gem. You can help them discover the hidden gems, because after all, blessed are they who ease the pain of misfortune, for they shall be called insurance agents. And come to know the value of this precious gem. GP for you equals G. God's plans for you, they're great. And until we meet again, you take care.